from a Salesforce Marketing Cloud, let's take a look at the app, Google Analytics. And here you can see Google Analytics integration. Is it integrated? Do we have it set up? Here you can see that it is. And then you can see by role, you have to assign by role the app, Google Analytics. Who has it? Who can see it? And then you also have to assign the business units to the app. Can the main one see it, right? Or here, for instance, you can manage roles, manage business units, import, export, etc., right? By user, etc. This is from the users versus the roles. Now, separately, let's sign into, what are we signing into? Google Analytics. And that you sign in from the outside. So you sign into the attached app, and so it's Google Analytics login. You log in with your Gmail when you're provisioned, and this is what, here's the dashboard. Here we're in high row dev data. There are all the customizations, the real-time overview, and then down here is where you do the admin. And here, if you have admin rights, you'll be able to see who's in here, who's not in here, what users there are. And even if you don't have admin rights, you'll at least say who's the administrator, so you can talk to them and get somebody added just into reporting. And that's really what you want to do. So that's two ways to sign up. Salesforce Marketing Cloud, make sure the app's allocated to the role of the user and the business unit, and to log in from external. And here you can see that, read, analyze, etc. Who are the admins for this? So if you need to add somebody, you can approach them if you don't have user rights, admin rights. Thank you so much for that. And let's just cruise around a little bit here. Okay, see it, edit, collaborate, read, and analyze. That's what you want for reporting, right? So you can report off of Journey in Google Analytics. Here, for instance, user management, create an account, right? Again, I'm just repeating the same sequencing here.